What's up, everybody? My name is Aaron Sinclair Ford, and today I will be doing an unboxing of my new microphone from Antelope Audio, which is the Edge Go. Now, this is an amazing microphone that Antelope Audio made that comes in a very sturdy case, and it's built just beautifully. So let's get right into this unboxing. First thing that you're going to see when you open the case is your microphone. This is a USB-C microphone, and it has a headphone jack in it. They actually provide the USB-C very long so that you don't have to be right next to your computer. You can do whatever you got to do and it won't stop your workflow. From here, what you're going to have are the pieces so that you can have your shock mount right on your table or your desk. So it's going to be the base and the rod. But the one point that I want to get right into is this shock mount. The shock mount is made beautifully. It looks like they put a lot of time into this. It's very sturdy. It hugs the microphone perfectly, and it does what it does. It helps to keep shock away. From here, what we're going to talk about is our pop filter. Metal goes right with the fit of everything else that is in the case, and it works perfectly. So I would just say go get one of these. These mics are amazing. They emulate a lot of different microphones that are out in the industry, and it helps your workflow wherever you got to go. So that's my unboxing of my Edge Go. Thanks.